Hi, welcome back to Raunix. This is Ved Verma from Raunix Tech Services, and today we are going to discuss about a latest feature in our service booking application, that is subscription based model for providers. Okay, so here you can see the subscription management options where you can get an option for subscription package. When you click on that, then you can get a page from where you can create subscription packages. You can give the name of the package like gold plan, okay, or premium membership, okay. Like this you can give any name, and you can give the price, any price that you want to give. You can give the validity of the package like for 30 days, 60 days, or anything as per your choice, okay. And you can give the description for anything like premium plan will help you and your consumers to get more and more service requests. You can write anything here, okay. In second part, package available features, you can restrict particular package for particular features like mobile applications you will get in this package, chat, review, schedule service request, advertisements, report analytics, and biddings. Okay, suppose you want to create multiple packages like premium package, gold package, platinum package, and diamond package. Okay, you can restrict these features as per your package requirement. Okay, and you can also limit the service request and service category to subscribe for the provider, like how much service request a provider can get and how much service category they can subscribe. You can control it from here, and from here you can check how much subscribers you have, total subscription, active subscription, extra subscription, and expiring soon subscriptions. You can filter out the data from here as well, okay. And you can also download the Excel sheet of the subscription data. From here you can manage all the trial features for the providers. You can offer a trial feature, a trial version for the providers, from where the providers can have a trial feature for limited time frame that can be controlled from the admin panel, like 7 days, 5 days, 30 days, or something like that. Okay, you can choose month or date from here. Also you can show a deadline of bargaining to the providers at which time they can start getting a bargaining for that, okay. And after that you can also define the money return restrictions, like how much after how much time the providers can cancel their subscriptions, okay. You can also control that from here. Next option is will be for VAT and tax, how much tax or VAT services you want to apply for that particular subscription, that you can do it from here, okay. That's it in this video. If you want to start your multi-service booking application like urbanclap for electrician, plumber, carpenters, and many more, then contact us, details on your screen, and we will see you in next video. Thank you.